Hey guys, if you get a grinding noise from your rear drum brakes, look right here in this channel here. Make sure there's no rust and make sure this lip isn't bent. Otherwise, you hear that. If you get that kind of grinding noise back there, you may have a rock or some rust stuck in that ridge. On your drum, you also have that same ridge that stuff can get stuck in. So check out that ridge right there. Make sure there's no rocks or rust sticking in there. And clean it out if there is. That should get rid of your noise. Hope this helps. Got any questions or comments, leave them in the box below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks.